What is up, guys? My name's Carson. That's my beautiful wife, Sammy. We're the Complete Couple, and this is going to be a Hard Rock Hotel room tour, North Tower. Now, I am going to tack onto this room tour a little bit of a walk. We're going to show you what the walk is from here going down and then to the main set, because some people think it's a little bit of a walk. I didn't think it was that bad, but I am going to just do a little quick walk. She can speed it up to show you guys here at the end. Other than that, check out the room tour. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys with all the other content. Alrighty, so this is a Hard Rock room tour. We are in the North Tower, which is their newer tower. This is room 951. Here's what you walk into. Now, this is like a corner, what I would call a corner, almost a half suite. We're gonna take a look at it here in a minute, but this room is really nice in my opinion. So as you walk in the left-hand side, you've got a really nice oversized closet. Plenty of room. As you can see, the room has seen some wear and tear. I mean, it's a little dirty in places. They did do the wall safe, which again, I absolutely hate. But they got a wall safe in there, ironing board, iron. So that is your closet. And then as we walk in here, you got a full-size mirror on the right-hand side. And then directly to your left is gonna be our bathroom. Now look at this bathroom. So you walk in here, right here to the left is gonna be your toilet. Pretty standard toilet. And then as we keep walking, this is our big bathroom here. Dual sinks. We've got dual sinks in here, that's awesome. Little place where women can do their makeup. Here's the big walk-in shower. Full walk-in. A little bit of the amenities right there. The shower head looks a little old. Take a look at that. So that's your shower. Again, nothing too crazy. Again, it's a little old, but it doesn't smell, which is good. I don't have any smell or sense of smell in here. That smells bad. Again, full-size mirror. And as we go to the left here is going to be what we walk into. I mean, look at this beautiful corner we have. It's awesome. So we've got our TV. Let's check and see if we got a refrigerator in here. Fridge, I'm not sure if it's going to be a stocked fridge or not. Let's see. Empty fridge, that makes nice if you want to put your water bottles or beers, if you want to go down and buy some alcoholic beverages in there. You can see it's starting to show some wear and tear. But nonetheless, I mean, clean. Very clean. Got some places, got really deep chest of drawers, 3 drawers there. Let's see what's on this side. More storage, a lot of storage. A lot of storage. Little coffee maker. Nice big television.
If you want to pause, this is all their like rules and stuff. So like what the pool has, when checkout is, that they do clean here, pets. Oh,
that's really cool. Let me see if I can get a good
Wi-Fi.
video of that.
So if you want to pause, you can read lots of answers. It's nice.
Pause that, you can read that right there. Really cool. Really big mirror right there. Here's your desk. You got your coffee cups, your ice bucket. So you got 2 plugs right there. Let's see how many plugs they got. You got a lamp right there. And then this is your king size bed. Nice king size bed. 2 nightstands. Let's see here. Drawer. Looks like you got the alarm clock. 2 plugs right there. Plug on the side. No outlets in the back. So you got the plug over there. Full size plug on the side of the lamp. And 2 USBs there. One's actually a micro USB. One's a regular USB right there. Let's see what's on the other side if it's the same. Oh, over here you just got a full size plug. So over here you just have 1 full size plug. And I guess you got 1 more back there because you do not have the alarm on the side. Same storage. And then look at this view we have on this side. This is awesome. So this is what we look out to. You see the water right there, and then look at this. You can actually see the steel pier, which is incredible. I mean, what a view we got, guys. This is a beautiful view on this side. So we got kind of hooked up there. And that right there is the tour of the room. Very impressed.
Hold on. Here's the room service menu if you want to pause. Big menu.
Nice big menu.
There you go.
There's your room service menu.
There's drinks on the back, but pizza
Ooh,
all day.
All day pizza,
Pasta?
pastas.
Oh my God.
There's a
Just kidding. There's a lot
more.
back here. But yeah, that's Hard Rock Hotel.
Again, minor wear and tear. I mean, you can see where it's seen some wear and tear, but it does not smell.
Clean.
We'll see if it gets cold. We put it down to 65.
It's stuck on 60. Oh, no, it's going down. Okay.
So we'll see if it gets a little cold. It's a little warm in here right now.
For us.
But other than that, I'm going to call this like a corner mini suite. I could be wrong. I don't know. They just called it a king room. But to me, I think it was beautiful. I mean, the room feels huge.
Huge.
And the view is beautiful. I feel like that I should pay extra for that view.
I know.
So can't complain at all.
Really
and
cool.
there you go.
Subscribe, and check out Atlantic City content on our channel.
There you go. All right, so that's our room right there. This is a little bit of a walking tour of how you get back to the regular tower. And I walk pretty fast, so.
It's a journey.
So this is from our room on how to get back to the main, basically, casino area.
Floor.
Yeah.
Just like down.
So we're gonna take 2 different sets of elevators. So basically you get to your elevator bank here in the North Tower and you come to your floor.
Yeah.
And then to go down, you have to go to floor 2.
Walk all the way across.
Walk across this little.
Then go down again.
To the casino floor. All right, now out of the elevator bank. All right, so here's the main entry. So now we are heading towards the South Tower Hotel lobby. So we're gonna walk across this. I'm gonna walk fast. Again, I walk fast. We've passed everybody that I waited for, and now I'm past them. All right, here's the elevator bank. So if you just want to head down, you can. That's how you get to the floor. However, if you really want to take the escalators, you walk back out here. You go right there.
I mean, it's a bit of a journey.
I mean, listen, it's a little journey.
I will tell you, the escalator is going to save you a ton of time because the elevator does take a little while.
I'm gonna tell you this, if you're like someone that doesn't like to walk, I don't know if it would be for you. So that was how you get literally from your hotel room all the way back and down to the lobby.
Yep.
We're still not there yet. Almost there, almost there, almost there. All right, boom. And then you're at the bar in the front. That's how you get there. It's quite a walk. All right, that was it.